Hello everyone, welcome back to Danny the Designer. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite tools in Photoshop, Smart Objects. These little guys can save you so much time and they are very useful in your design workflow. Let's dive in. A smart object is basically a special kind of layer that protects your original data of your image. It lets you make changes like resizing, transforming, and applying filters without actually damaging the original file. Think of it like a protective bubble around your image. Why do we use smart object instead of a regular layer? The main reason is that they are non-destructive. Let me show you an example. We put a regular layer and a smart object layer side by side. Let's scale the size up and down. Now you see the difference, right? This is how smart object works. With a smart object, you can resize without losing any quality. Another thing is, it helps you make a mockup design. Before we do anything yet, we need to convert the layer to smart object. So choose a layer, right click on it, here convert to smart object. Now we got a smart object layer, so we can start working on it. Now we got a mockup design. The benefit of converting to smart object is we can edit it anytime we want. Just double click on this smart object icon. It goes to the new window. After we editing, just go to File, Save, or just press Ctrl S. Now go back to the previous window. It's updated, right? One last thing, applying the effects or filter on a smart object can easily edit or remove the effects later. Okay, let's give blur effect on both layers. There is no effect setting on a regular layer, but you will see the effect setting in a smart object layer. Just double click on it and you can easily edit or remove the effects. That's it. It's all about smart objects. They make your work flexible, keep your quality high, and easy to edit. Next time you're working on your project, I recommend you to use smart object. I'm sure they will save you so much time. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.